Here are 10 common job interview questions along with some possible answers. 1. Can you tell me about yourself? This is often the first question you'll hear in a job interview. Keep your answer brief and focused on your professional experience and skills. You might say something like, I'm a software engineer with 5 years of experience in developing mobile applications. I'm skilled in Java, Swift, and React Native. 2. Why do you want to work for our company? Do your research before the interview so you can give a specific answer. You might say something like, I'm impressed with your company's commitment to sustainability and your innovative approach to product design. I believe my skills and experience would make me a strong fit for your team. 3. What are your greatest strengths? Choose strengths that are relevant to the job you're applying for. For example, if you're applying for a sales position, you might say, I'm a skilled communicator and relationship builder. I'm able to understand a customer's needs and match them with the right product or solution. 4. What are your weaknesses? Choose a weakness that you're actively working on improving, and explain how you're doing so. For example, you might say, I tend to take on too much at once, which can lead to some stress. However, I've been working on prioritizing my tasks and delegating more effectively. 5. Can you walk me through a project you worked on in the past? Choose a project that showcases your skills and experience, and be sure to highlight your specific contributions. For example, you might say, I worked on a team to develop a new e-commerce platform. My role was to develop the payment processing system, and I was able to streamline the process and reduce checkout time by 30%. 6. How do you handle conflict or difficult situations? Use a specific example from your past experience to show how you've handled conflict in a professional manner. For example, you might say, in a previous job, I had a disagreement with a colleague about the direction of a project. We were able to sit down and have a productive conversation, and we ultimately came up with a solution that satisfied both of us. 7. What are your salary expectations? Do your research on industry standards and the company's salary range for the position. You might say something like, based on my research and experience, I'm looking for a salary in the range of $X to $Y. 8. Why should we hire you? Highlight your specific skills and experience that make you a strong fit for the position. For example, you might say, I have a proven track record of developing high-quality software products that meet customer needs. I believe my skills in Java, Swift, and React Native, along with my ability to work collaboratively with a team, make me an excellent candidate for this position. 9. What are your long-term career goals? Be honest about your aspirations, but also tie them back to the company and the position you're applying for. For example, you might say, my long-term goal is to become a team leader in the software development field. I believe this position would provide me with the opportunity to develop my leadership skills and contribute to the growth of the company. 10. Do you have any questions for us? Always have a few questions prepared to ask the interviewer. This shows your interest in the position.